How to be more productive as a student. We all want to know how to increase our productivity to accomplish more and achieve goals. Here are a few tips that you can try. Write your 3 most important tasks every day. This is an important thing. To benefit from this, you need to know Pareto principle or 80-20 rule. This rule says that 20% of your efforts represent 80% of your results. That means 80% of what you are doing is inefficient. To successfully apply this rule, you need to identify your most important tasks. These are the tasks without which you may not be able to achieve your goals. So, how can we identify our most important tasks? There are 3 steps. First, write down your most important goals that you have. Second, write down all the tasks that will help you to reach that goal. And third, ask yourself if you could do only one thing on that list, what would that be? Here are few practices that you might want to try out with your most important tasks. One is make a list. By making a list, you can boost your productivity by 25%. Second is prioritize your list. Get your most important task done before you start doing anything else. Third is plan your day the night before. Before going to bed, write 3 important things that you want to get done by tomorrow and start your day by working on those 3 things. The second step is 2 minutes rule. The rule states that if you can do it in less than 2 minutes, do it now. And if it takes more than that, you can put it on the to-do list. This rule is not about the result. Instead, it forces you to focus on the process of actually doing the work. The third is Pomodoro's method. It is a time management method using specifically timed interval. In Italian, Pomodoro is called tomato. It is a simple method to balance focus with deliberate breaks. First thing you need to do is plan your tasks, how many Pomodoros you might need, and then do one Pomodoro. You can make it 25 minutes or 35 minutes, and after each Pomodoro you take 5 minutes break. And after that you can combine the Pomodoros and you can take longer breaks. Fourth thing is about clean workspace. For every minute spent on organizing, an hour is earned is a famous saying. A clean workspace can increase your productivity, whereas a dirty one makes you lose your focus. You can use Konmari's method for this, which basically states that if you tidy your space and see if it sparks any joy. If it sparks joy, your workspace is good to go, and hence you will feel more productive. Fifth thing is stop being a perfectionist. Dr. Simon Sharia, psychology professor, in a research found that the increased perfectionism is associated with decreased productivity. Here are some problems that are associated with being a perfectionist. First, you spend too long during a task than required, and you avoid taking risks and wait for perfect moment, which eventually leads to procrastination. The sixth thing is take a nap. When you can't figure out what to do, it's time for a nap. A study at NASA found that with 40 minutes of nap improved the performance by 34% and improved the alertness by 100%. Subscribe the channel for more videos.